Hi there. So Ali and I were talking about some of these videos that we're having to record and have ready all the time, and she gave us a great idea that I wanted to share with you guys, and it's the concept of compressing a video before you actually upload it to Drive or YouTube. So many of us have been experiencing issues with creating videos, and then all of a sudden, when we try uploading them, it takes forever for them to process, or they're too lengthy. So this is a really good tip that we shouldn't let pass. So look, I've got a Zoom video here that I created that I'm uploading to YouTube to explain to teachers how to use Zoom. Before I upload it, I'm gonna tap with two fingers on my trackpad, bam, open with QuickTime, and I'm gonna open that video with QuickTime. Pretty simple step here. Then on the QuickTime menu on top, go to File, and you want to choose Export As. Now, by default, most of these videos on our Macs are probably being recorded on 4K or 1080p. So before I export it, let me show you the size of the video so we can compare. Let me show you real quick here. I'm going to click on it. Command I shows you the size of a file. See, it says kind QuickTime movie size 1.23 gigabytes. Gigabytes, that means it's a really fat, heavy video that will take a long time to upload. So now let's use two fingers on the trackpad and open with QuickTime Player and hit File, Export As, and let's lower that video. Let's trim it down to, let's try with 720p, which is still a pretty nice high quality video for exporting to Drive or YouTube later on. Click on that, and you can modify the name. I'm going to call this one Zoom 720p. That way I can tell that that was the setting I chose for it. And I'm going to save it on my documents, in my documents, and hit save. And look, this export progress window will pop up, and it will compress that file into a much more reduced version of it. It should weigh less, however, given the size of that video, that's going to take a while to save. I'm not going to waste your time waiting for it. But that's basically how you compress and reduce the size of a video. I hope that's useful for you. Take care.